Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss BNSS Bare Act. Section wise we are going to discuss. This is going to be useful for the people who are preparing for civil judge exams and all LLB for 3 years and 5 years courses. We are going to break it and discuss section wise. Today we are going to concentrate only one section, that is Section 1. Okay, let us understand Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The Parliament received the assent in the President on the 25th December 2023 and hereby published for general information. So the Act consolidated and amended the law relating to criminal procedure only. It is enacted by Parliament in the 74th year of the Republic of India as follows. So preliminary about first section is the Act may be called Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. The provisions of his Sanhita other than those relating to chapter 9 and 11 and 12 thereby shall not apply. That is, to state of Nagaland it does not apply Bharatiya Nagarika Sanhita, and tribal areas it is not applicable. Tribal area where the concerned state concentrated state government may be notified apply such provisions or any of them to whole or part of the state of Nagaland, meaning whole or part of state of Nagaland is not applicable. Tribal areas is not applicable. Case may be with such supplemental, incidental or consequential modification as may be specified in the notification. In the Sanhita, tribal area means territories which immediately before 21st January 1972 were included in a tribal area in Assam or referred the paragraph of 20th of 6th schedule or the constitution of other than those within the local limits of municipality. I hope you might have understood. So whole area, whole India it is applicable. This Bharatiya Nagarika Sanhita, I am so sorry for drawing India this bad, but still, so except Nagaland it is not applicable, or some hill station or some tribal area is not applicable. Otherwise everywhere it is applicable. That is what is the section 1 speaks about. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.